Hey everyone, you know what time it is. It is time for my kit lineup. My kit lineup stays in my print impression B6 with the B6 sticker kit inserts. These are currently sold out, these inserts, but Kane is working on having them restocked. I believe they're in production right now, so stay tuned for those if you missed them. But let's go ahead into my lineup. It's so funny. I'm going to do a little bit of an edit because whenever I sat down to finalize my lineup, I for some reason started here and was like looking at things and I was like, oh, let me change this. Let me add things. And I went through and added things to every thing. And then I was like, oh wait, I already did the lineup for this. Why am I changing it? Why am I editing this? But anyways, let me show you what I edited. So this is Atlantis. I did move this around. I moved around a bunch of things for whatever reason because other weeks needed things. Y'all know how it goes. So I was going to use the gold Champagne Lights mixed metal, but I'm using that. I already used it. Did I use it once? Maybe. And I'm going to use it again soon. So I decided for this one, I was just going to use this kit because I think this didn't come out by the time that I did my lineup. So this is from Crest Press Mermaid in the regular gold. It also came out in like a matte gold, but I like the regular gold for this. And then I pulled out this from my collection. This is Night Sky from Planet Hannah. And I just thought this would go really well together. It doesn't necessarily scream mermaids, but I just thought it would be pretty because, like, you know, I think there's a starfish, yeah. And I think it works. And there's also little mini stars in this foil bundle. I like trying to find like little pieces of things in here to kind of pull in. Then I pulled out two different quotes. So I have Salty Hair, Don't Care, and then See You Later. I thought they kind of fit the vibes of this set. So we're doing a little edit here, but I'm sure y'all don't care. Y'all are here for it. Then I have, was it Magic Land? I think. So, old format. And then I decided to pair this with the Lavender Hollow mix. I thought that'd be like the perfect combo for this. I also put in some Lavender Hollow bougie boxes in case I needed extra, because I'm assuming I'll have some extenders in there. And then I also pulled out a page from the Park Hopper Lavender Hollow foil bundle along with the regular hollow, and I thought I would do a manual mixed metal where I'm going to cut every single one of these and line them up. It seems ambitious, I know. I think it definitely is, but it could be worth it or it could be a disaster. We will see. Also brought in the blonde because I'm going to cut this and make it a split die. And then I brought in some Lavender Hollow items. These can all be found along with the bougie boxes in the limited edition foil listing for Lavender Hollow. I brought in the mini Mickey Hollow decos, the mini doodle icons, and also this here, hands down, this is the best day I can ever remember. This is my old PR freebie from Planet Hannah, the hollow, what are these called? Bucket lists, Disney. These larger ones, I like these for fancy labels if I don't have an icon I want to use. Two different quote boxes, and then I had a couple of full boxes from this sheet from Crest Press left, so I figured I would just throw that in. So it's going to be a Lavender Hollow mixed metal moment. So that's a little bit of an edit. And then I don't think I added anything to this. I don't think so. Or this one. Actually, I don't remember if I showed you, but there's a lot of like gold hollow and lavender hollow. But let's get in, or wait, no. I moved this. This was, or wait, I don't know. Let me just show you anyways. I don't remember because this is technically where we're starting, but I think I might have moved this kit from here, or maybe I moved it from, I don't know. I moved it sometime. So this is the April 2022 mystery, and this one came with the Lavender Hollow Tropical Foil Bundle, which is right here. But I thought this would look really pretty with a mixed metal of Lavender Hollow and Gold Hollow. Something fun, something different. So I have these different underlays from Planet Hannah. I have these ones, which are mermaid tail. Then I have scales, just something to pick from. I have bubbles, the bows, and then I also have the mermaid, which are the Ariel quotes. I also have the foil bundle that came with the mystery, so it is a Lavender Hollow to mix. And then I also have some gold hollow items from Planet Hannah that I might pull in. I have gold hollow items from my shop along with Sadie stickers that I found when I was doing my Goonies set. And then I also pulled in this lavender hollow wide and tall box. So that, my friends, is the August 1st through the 7th. I believe this is the only kit that, I mean, these two I could potentially change, but I don't think I'm going to. Then this is the week of my friend Amanda's birthday, and I thought this read very Amanda to me. She is very like Connecticut, and I think this kind of gives that vibe. So I just have the kit itself plus the foil bundle. So this is the May 2022 mystery, which I think is lovely. I love a very neutral color scheme with a chic, modern like theme. And then I also just pulled in this, which is from Planet Hannah, the Words To. And I just cut these in half so that they fit better in my organization. So there was just some words in here, and I'll kind of like based on the week. So I have relax, exquisite, wanderlust, and good vibes. Depending on how the week goes, I'll put one or two of those on the boxes. And then I also pulled out these from Sadie stickers, which I just thought I would mix into the bougie boxes. I just wanted to use these up because I don't have many of them left. And then the one that came with the bundle is the shimmer. I think that's really nice, like neutral anytime foil bundle. So I decided to just keep it in there because there's nothing else that I would really want to add to it. Sometimes, like, you know, it's nice having like a themed foil bundle, but at the same time, like sometimes you just want the art to shine, and to have a foil bundle that just lets it do that. Next, I have the Captain Jack kit, which y'all know has been a struggle bus for me because I went back and forth on the foil I wanted to use with this. I initially bought everything in silver, and then whenever Hannah said that she showed me that she was going to have this matte bronze and then a matte silver foil, I was like, wait, I'm having a problem. So I have decided ultimately to go with the mixed metal bronze and matte silver in the sparkle format, so the newer one. And I decided to do these for the like underlays. I haven't decided yet if I want to do anything underneath them. I might just leave it plain. I kind of wish I would have did, and I'm not doing it, I'm not buying any more of these. I would have did all matte silver and then did all matte bronze bougies underneath. I think that would have been like the most cool. But you know, here we are. I'm just hoping I don't need any extenders, and then I'll just use these realistically. I have the Pirates quotes in the matte bronze, and then if I need anything else, I'll just pull out some things from my matte bronze album, and we do have a lot of matte bronze add-on options in that special edition foil listing, which has been on the shop for a while. I used to put it on like limitedly, but I think I'm going to leave it up there because it is very requested. And then I have this kit here for one of my BFF Bree's birthday. This is Step Brothers. It's like the movie that we always watched in high school, and it definitely is just like memories, and I love it. So exclusive art, you won't find it anywhere else. I also requested these from Hannah. This is the Step Brothers quote boxes, and I want to use as many of these as possible. The ones that would probably be my top ones would be Did We Just Become Best Friends? So Much Room for Activities, which I say both of those so often, but I want to put them in as many as I can. Even that one, the last time I heard that, I laughed so hard I fell off my dinosaur. I remember saying that so much in high school. Then for this one, another time where I want to use a foil bundle that is not going to take away from the art. And I also feel like this is a very like, I don't know, it's not very like I want it to be super shiny, but I don't know if I wouldn't want to use foil at all. Sorry if you can hear Nick doing the dishes in the background. But this is the Glimmer bundle from Crust Press, and I think this is the foil bundle that has the least amount of foil that I own. So I thought this in silver would go really well, just to give it like a little hint of something. I don't want anything like themed or like anything like that. I just want it to be simple and neutral. I also did pull out silver bougie boxes because I think I bought the mini in this. So I have silver bougie boxes. I also have the characters in 001 because those are the Step Brothers ones. So I'm going to pull some of those in and then probably put these in the Bennett and Theo category. And then I also pulled this yellow color. You can see it in there. This yellow color from the kit. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. So I just wanted to put that in there to remind myself. And that is everything for this kit lineup. I am very excited for all the kits I have picked. And it's really cool because I have pop culture. And then if I look into my September, I think I have three pop culture in a row. So I'll have 5 pop culture kits as of right now in a row. And I think that is so fun. Are they all exclusive? I think they all might be exclusive, which is even more fun. So that, my friends, is everything for this kit lineup. Why do I feel like, I always feel like I didn't film this, but it's just because we're like halfway through this week. So yeah, anyways, I'm losing my mind. But that is everything for this kit lineup. If we're twinning any of the weeks, let me know. Let me know if you're using one of the kits, maybe using a different foil. I would love to know what your plans are in the comments down below. Otherwise, I will talk to y'all in my next video.